Hi guys, this is just a quick video regarding my new compressor set. Electrically driven motor here, I'm not sure what RPM. Twin cylinder compressor and the tank down here. I will show you it running, but unfortunately I do have to push over the compression because the little motor isn't strong enough to do it itself, so I'll get started. Builds up pressure quite fast, so that's pretty good. Better than the old one anyway.